Hallo, alles zusammen. Ich heiße Abhishek and today we will learn the personal pronoun in German. So the personal pronoun are one of the most basic thing that we need to learn to form of simple sentences. So the personal pronoun in German it is called as Personalpronomen. जर्मन में हम इसे प्रेजोनाल प्रोनोमेन कहते हैं. प्रेजोनाल, पेजोनाल प्रोनोमेन, personal pronomen, personal pronouns. So the first one is I, do, you, er, he, sie, she, es, it, it, wir, we, ihr, you, sie, they, you formal. When you have to give respect to someone, then you must use sie, that means you formal. So like as is, we wrote it I, is means I. So is bin Abhishek, I am Abhishek. Du bist Abhishek, you are Abhishek. Er ist Abhishek, he is Abhishek. Sie ist Priyanka, sie ist Priyanka. Es ist Obst is fruit. So it is fruit. Wir sind Leute, we are people. Leute, people. Und so weiter and so on. So these basic personal pronoun we must learn to form simple sentences, to form basic sentences in German language. Thank you.